Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from DeFi to centralized exchange using Aave. Complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from DeFi to a centralized exchange using Aave, first, head over to the Aave website. Connect your crypto wallet by clicking on the Connect button. Select your preferred wallet from the list provided. Once your wallet is connected, navigate to the Dashboards or Manage section. Locate the assets you want to withdraw. Click on the asset you intend to convert to fiat. Select the withdraw option for that asset. Specify the amount you wish to withdraw from Aave. Review the current gas fees associated with the transaction. Confirm the withdrawal to initiate the transfer back to your wallet. Wait for the transaction to be processed on the blockchain. Once the withdrawal is complete, open your centralized exchange account. Locate the deposit option on your exchange dashboard. Select the cryptocurrency you just withdrew from Aave. Copy the deposit address provided by the exchange. Return to your crypto wallet and initiate a transfer to the copied address. Paste the deposit address in the recipient field of your wallet. Specify the amount you want to send to the exchange. Double-check all details, ensuring the address is correct. Confirm the transaction to send the funds to your centralized exchange. Monitor the transaction status until it appears in your exchange account. Once the funds are available, you can proceed to trade or convert your crypto to fiat. Congratulations, you have successfully withdrawn from DeFi to a centralized exchange using Aave. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.